In this video, we will discuss the 5 best gaming PCs on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So, let's get started. Number 1. LANCOOL Compact Gaming PC Case. This LANCOOL compact case is a masterclass in innovative design. It revolutionizes the traditional ATX layout while maintaining exceptional cooling capability. Despite its compact MATX motherboards and power supplies, with generous space for graphics cards up to 410 mm in length, cooling performance stands out as a primary focus, featuring 4 pre-installed fans strategically placed throughout the chassis. The front panel showcases 2 100-time ARGB fans, with striking infinity mirror centers, while 2 additional 120-time PWM fans mounted beneath the GPU ensure dedicated cooling for high-performance graphics cards. Another aspect of the system is that it automatically accelerates without turning, following every input from right-hand controllers to the bottom of the bottle of food. The innovative front-mount PSU design, complete with an adapter cable for easy access to ports, demonstrates thoughtful engineering. The included adjustable GPU anti-sag bracket adds crucial support for heavy graphics cards, ensuring both stability and longevity. For builders seeking a compact yet fully featured ATX case, the LANCOOL 207 delivers exceptional value with its blend of innovative design and practical functionality. Number 2. Asus Tough Gaming PC Case. The Asus Tough Gaming PC case delivers military-grade durability with its robust metal construction and distinctive tough gaming spatter pattern, making it stand out from conventional mid-tower designs. The foreign-tempered glass side panel offers an unobstructed view of your components while maintaining structural integrity, perfectly balancing aesthetics with practicality. Featuring 3 120i MODERSync RGB fans that provide both functionality and visual appeal, complemented by a 104im rear PWM fan. The case's versatility shines through with 7 additional fan mounting points, allowing builders to customize their cooling setup. The vertical GPU mounting option, combined with 7 traditional expansion slots, provides flexibility for showcasing high-end graphics cards while maintaining proper airflow. This case exemplifies Asus' commitment to combining durability, functionality, and style in their TUF gaming lineup. Number 3. Corsair 7000D Gaming PC Case. The Corsair 7000D Airflow Full Tower case stands as a testament to what's possible in a high-end PC building, offering an unprecedented combination of space, cooling capacity, and cable management. The steel front panel features an optimized high airflow design that maximizes cooling potential while maintaining a sophisticated aesthetic. At the heart of this case's appeal is its extraordinary cooling capability. Ships with 3 104mm air guide fans, equipped with anti-vortex vanes that concentrate airflow for enhanced cooling efficiency. The case's versatility truly shines in its ability to accommodate up to 12 120-time fans or 7 140-time fans, with space for either 3 simultaneous 360-time radiators or 2 420-time radiators, a configuration that sets new standards for extreme cooling potential. Number 4. MUSETEX ATX Gaming PC Case. The MUSETEX Y6 Gaming PC case redefines visual aesthetics with its striking white design and expansive 270-degree plastic glass panels, offering an unparalleled showcase for high-end components and personalized displays. The case immediately stands out with its 6 pre-installed PWM ARG fans, including 2 side-mount fans featuring an innovative reverse blade design that combines enhanced airflow with visual appeal. Cooling performance is a clear priority, with the fans utilizing anti-vortex blades and supporting software-controlled speed adjustment for optimal thermal management. The thoughtful layout accommodates impressive hardware configurations, including GPUs up to 400 humming, CPU coolers up to 176-time liquid cooler. Modern connectivity is well served through USB 3.2 Type-C and USB 3.0 ports, complemented by HD audio for immersive gaming experiences. Number 5. Antec Performance Gaming PC Case. The Antec Performance 1FT Full Tower Case combines sophisticated monitoring capabilities with premium build features, making it a standout choice for high-end gaming systems. The standout feature is its integrated temperature display and immunity system, providing instant access to vital software monitoring tools. Build quality impresses with dual 4-arm tempered glass panels that offer an expansive view of your components while maintaining structural integrity. The case comes prepared for modern connectivity with a high-speed 10 Gbps Type-C port, meeting the demands of current data transfer needs. The removable top bracket adds flexibility for installation and maintenance. Most importantly, the case is fully compatible with RTX 40 series graphics cards, future-proofing your build for current and upcoming high-performance components. All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.